Hello everyone, my name is Saarang Mrigank. I am in nursery B. Welcome to my channel. Again, today we will show you how to make useful things from waste paper rolls. Let's start, okay? So I have some materials. Guys, I have waste paper rolls, waste papers and Fevicol. Now we'll make it and decorate it. Okay. We have wrapped yellow color paper in this roll. I have wrapped these paper rolls. Now we will decorate with these tapes.
Guys, Sarang now decorating all the paper rolls.
See guys, we have done it this also. Next we will move to this one. I have decorated all the rolls. Now I have cut it cardboard plate. Now I will decorate it. This is a jal color. Now I am going to fix the rolls on the plate. Guys, now I fixed all the rolls on plate with the help of glue gun and Mama. Mama is fixing. So I have created a very beautiful multi-purpose holder from waste paper rolls. Guys, I am loving it so much. Please like, share and subscribe. I have also created this earlier.